Bring your memories back to life by turning old photos into colorful videos with a maximum duration of 21 seconds. The process is simple and easy. You don't need to be a professional editor to do this. All you need is Meta AI, free, unlimited, and without watermark. First, log into Meta AI, then upload your old photo and switch to the image generation settings. Use the prompt provided in the description to enhance your old photo, making it sharper, clearer, and full of color. Click Generate and wait for the results. Choose one of the generated images. Make sure you select the best one. You can animate it directly or use a video prompt to get the result you want. I've included the video prompt in the description that you can use. The first generated video will be around 5 seconds long. To extend the duration, simply click the Extend button. Each extension adds 4 seconds, increasing the video to 9 seconds. Repeat this process until you reach the maximum duration supported by Meta AI, which is 21 seconds. After that, you can add music by clicking Add Music. Choose a suitable track or search for your favorite song, then generate the video again. Download the final result. Enjoy trying it out.